Today we are going to upgrade the CarPlay function for Toyota RAV4. First, use a Pry Tool to open the top cover. Use a size 10 socket screwdriver to remove the 4 screws from the main unit. Grasp both sides of the screen and pull outward. Disconnect all plugs at the back of the main unit. Remove all components of the product. Use a Phillips screwdriver to sequentially remove the screws. Use a Pry Tool to open the back cover from the edges. Use a Phillips screwdriver to sequentially remove the screws again. Position the Pry Tool against the clips. Gently lift the main unit. Be careful not to pull hard. Be cautious with the ribbon cables. Remove 3 screws that secure the inner side of the main unit cover. Use a Phillips screwdriver to sequentially remove all screws from the back cover. Lightly tap the main unit cover. Remove the 4 screws from the original main board. Take out the 4 copper pillars we provided. Lock them in sequence onto the original main board. Lift the clip upwards. Remove the original vehicle's ribbon cable. Take out the ribbon cable we provided. Insert it into the clip slot on the original main board. Take out the CarPlay module. Insert the ribbon cable into the bottom of the module. Make sure the clip is properly aligned and fully engaged. Center it. Secure the module inside the main unit. Lock it with 4 screws. Remove the original vehicle's ribbon cable. Be sure to differentiate. M-end goes to the main board. P-end goes to the screen. Restore the original cover. Take out the metal backplate we provided. Lock the screws back in. The original vehicle ribbon cable. P-end goes into the screen. Lock all the screws back in. Take out the power cable we provided. Insert it into the module according to the connector. Put the plastic back cover in place. Lock the screws back. Align the original vehicle power cable. Connect it to our power cable. Reinstall the main unit. Start the car to test. Press and hold the steering wheel's next track button. Hold for 3 seconds to switch systems.